prepare some delicious cinnamon rolls. 大家好，我们今天要准备肉桂卷，很好吃而且很简单。Okay, the ingredients we're gonna need are 2 cups of warm milk that we have here. We need half a cup of sugar, half a cup of melted butter, 2 teaspoons of yeast and a 1/4 teaspoon of yeast more, 4 cups of flour, and that's it for the dough. 好，我们需要就是2杯温牛奶，半杯糖，半杯奶油。对不起，我忘了怎么说哈。我们需要2个小条根酵母，还有那个再加一点点进去，就是2个小条根再加一点点，还有4杯面粉。好，这样子就好了。开始呢 ，we're gonna start preparing the dough. We're gonna put the warm milk inside. 我们把牛奶加进去，把糖加进去。Okay, we're adding the sugar. And we're adding the yeast. And we're gonna mix it very well. Okay, we're gonna add in the melted butter. And we're gonna leave it like 10 minutes or 15 minutes, okay? Until it's ready. 好，我们把奶油也加进去了，这样子要等差不多10到15分钟。我们用一块布这样子把它盖起来，好，等10到15分钟。We're gonna leave it like this around for 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, here we're back after leaving it for 15 minutes. We're gonna put all the flour inside, okay, and we're gonna mix it. 好了，过了15分钟以后，我们就要把面粉加进去，给它动一动。And we're gonna cover it with a plastic film. 我们要用一个塑胶给它盖住。Okay, now that's ready. We already cover it with plastic film. 我们已经用塑胶把它盖住。我们要给它盖住差不多1个到2个小时，好看你们地方的那个空气是怎么样，是热还是冷。Okay, we're gonna leave it for 1 to 2 hours, and it depends on the temperature where you are. Okay, see you later. We're waiting for the time of the dough, so we're gonna start making the filling. For the filling, we're gonna need 3/4 of cup of sugar. People usually use brown sugar, but we like it with white sugar. And we need 3/4 of a cup of melted or softened butter and 2 tablespoons of cinnamon powder. 好了，我们已经要等哈，还是要等那个麦粉手。我们放一些糖，大部分的人都是用比较咖啡色那颜色的糖，可是我们用白色的就好了。我们用一点奶油，差不多那个糖跟奶油的分量是4/3的那个杯哈，还有2条根那个叫什么，我忘记了，反正就是那个 cinnamon 哈，你要放2条根。It's 2 tablespoons of cinnamon. Okay, we're gonna put it all together and we're gonna start mixing it. Okay, everything is mixed and we're gonna set it apart. Okay, after 2 hours, we're gonna check our dough. 2小时以后，我们就看这个。哇塞！哎，哇 Look what we got here. Okay. 哇靠！ Too sticky. Okay. 好了 We're gonna add 1 cup of flour more to this mixture. Okay. 我们还要再加1杯粉。And we're gonna start mixing. We have to add 2 teaspoons of salt and also 1 teaspoon of baking powder. 我们还要加2个小条根盐巴，还有1小条根那个叫什么发粉。Okay, we're gonna start kneading the dough. Okay, we're gonna keep kneading like for about 10 minutes or so. 我们要揉差不多10分钟哦。把手指放进去 ，OK 就好了。Okay, when you can put your finger like that and it makes a hole, that's when the dough is ready. As you see, we're making it a shape of a rectangle. Okay. 我们做一个长方形的样子。Okay, now we're start filling the cinnamon rolls. 我们开始把全部弄均匀哈，想办法把全部都用这个盖起来，这样才会比较好吃。Okay, now with my hands clean, 手干净了，我们要开始卷。Okay, we're gonna start rolling. We try to leave it equal size. Okay, we're gonna use a dental floss to cut it. 我们用一个牙线。Before cutting, we have to prepare our pans. So we're gonna grease all our pans. Okay, we're greasing the pans. And we're gonna get ready to cut them. Okay, we're gonna start cutting them with the dental floss. And then we're gonna put them in the grease pan. Okay, now that we've already cut the rolls, we're gonna let them sit for 45 minutes to 1 hour. So we're gonna cover them and we're gonna wait for the 45 minutes. 好了，切好了以后，我们就把这些卷要等差不多45分钟。45分钟以后，我们再回来。After 45 minutes, we're gonna see how our rolls are. 我们45分钟以后，我们看我们的卷变成什么样呢？哇塞 ！Look how big they are. Okay, so we're gonna start putting 1 pan in the oven, in the preheated oven for 180 degrees. Okay, 这个烤箱要180度，已经热好了以前才能放进去。And we're gonna bake this for around 25 to 30 minutes. 差不多25到30分钟就可以了。Okay, we're gonna put it in the oven. Okay, while we're waiting for the cinnamon rolls to come out from baking, we're gonna prepare our frosting. Okay, 我们等我们的卷要烤好了 我们要先做，我们要放在外面的一个很好吃的cheese的一个材料。Okay, so we're gonna use 1 cup of powdered sugar, 4 tablespoons of milk, 2 tablespoons of melted butter, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and half a cup of cream cheese. Okay, 所以我们需要1杯糖，可是这个是糖粉，就是半粉糖哈，这是粉料糖。4个调羹牛奶，2个调羹奶油，1个调羹香草，还有半杯 cheese， 可是这是奶油 cheese。OK， 我们要把全部放在一起，要给它拌一拌。Okay, so we keep mixing until everything is well mixed. Okay, 这样子就拌好了就 OK 了，我们就等那个卷出来。The rolls are almost ready. We're ready. Now we're gonna take our cinnamon rolls out. Look how delicious they look. Wow. Okay, we're gonna wait for 10 minutes until it cools down. Okay, 你看我们的卷太好吃了，要等10分钟。And then we're gonna put the frosting on the top. We're ready to pour the frosting. Remember, you have to wait 10 minutes before doing this. 记得我要等10分钟以后才能放这个哦，不要忘记哦。Ready? This is our delicious cinnamon roll. Okay, if you want, you can bake it in round pans, but because we're doing it at home, so we do it in regular pans. 好了，我们的卷已经弄好了。You can eat it with a glass of milk or with whatever drink you want. 配牛奶、鲜奶喝。好了，谢谢，Bye everybody. Thank you.